Welcome to our podcast. I'm Prajakta,
And I, Pooja.
and today we are diving together into a thought-provoking debate. Should modern skills take lead in the curriculum to prepare students for the future job market? Let's get started.
Let's begin with you, Prajakta. Why do you believe modern skills should take lead in the curriculum?
In today's rapidly evolving world, the job market is constantly shifting. Traditional subjects like math and literature are undoubtedly important, but we can't ignore the fact that modern skills such as digital literacy, critical thinking, problem solving, and adaptability are becoming increasingly crucial for success. By prioritizing these modern skills in the curriculum, we equip students with the tools they need to thrive in the ever changing job landscape.
While I agree that modern skills are important, I believe that traditional subjects shouldn't be overshadowed. A solid foundation in subjects like math, science, and language arts lies the groundwork for students to excel in any field. Moreover, this traditional subject cultivate essential skills such as analytic thinking, communication, and creativity, which are equally valuable in job market.
I understand the importance of traditional subjects, Pooja, but let's face it, the job market of today looks vastly different from what it did even a decade ago. Technology is driving unprecedented changes across the industries, and students need to prepare to navigate this digital landscape. By integrating modern skills into the curriculum, we are not negating the significance of traditional subjects, but rather enhancing them to meet the demands of the 21st century workforce.
Absolutely. While it's true that technology is reshaping industry, we must remember that the fundamental never goes out of style. A strong grasp of mathematics, for example, it's essential not only in fields like engineering and finance, but also in data analysis and computer science. Similarly, language skills are vital for effective communication regardless of the industry. By maintaining a balance between modern and traditional skills in the curriculum, we can ensure that students are well rounded and adaptable to any professional environment.
In a world where change is the only constant, we owe it to our students to prepare them for the future. By prioritizing modern skills in the curriculum, we empower them to thrive in the dynamic job market of tomorrow.
That's right. So, we at MITSD understand the importance of equipping students with cutting edge skills. That's why we offer a range of programs designed to meet the demands of modern workforce.
Whether you're interested in project management, mastering tools like Microsoft Project and Jira, understanding the essential of agile methodology, delving into the world of UI UX design, or exploring the application of AI in digital marketing, MITSD has you covered.
These programs aren't just about keeping up with trends. They are about giving you the practical skill and knowledge you need to thrive in today's dynamic industry.
So, if you're ready to future proof your career and stay ahead of the curve, consider enrolling in one of our modern programs at MITSD. Your journey to success starts here.
Absolutely. Visit our website today to learn more about how MITSD can help you unlock your full potential in the ever evolving job market. Thank you for tuning in.
Until next time, stay curious and keep learning. For more such insightful podcasts, stay tuned with us. Thank you so much. Signing off. Bye bye.